Mrs. Treasure, and today we're going to have a wonderful time. Here we go. Here's cool stickers. Here's some more.
Hi everyone. We have a special video tonight. Anastasia got a gift from Prepsteader Bob and Mrs. B. So we are showing off her special gift tonight. They're her sunglasses.
And the size are pink.
And the size are pink. So what do you say?
Thank you, Prepsteader Bob and Mrs. B.
She loves them. She was so excited when that box was for her, and she started to open it. It was like, oh yeah, they did it right. So thank you, Prepsteader Bob and Mrs. B, for sending the sunglasses, and she is wearing them. Say good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
And thank you for watching Ash's Treasure. We'll see you next time on another video. Please subscribe.
Button down below, and we'll see you again.
Later.